Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add more than 2 colors on Canva. So I'm just going to go to elements here and I'm just going to find like a square, rectangle, whatever. And to color it, 2 colors, basically it's like a gradient. Select this and then I am going to select this, add a new color, and I'm going to select gradient. Then you can see there's like a few styles that you can choose from. I'm going to select, for instance, this one, and then I'm going to, for instance, select this color. This color, and I want like a pink color. You can also use the color picker for it, like that. Oh my gosh, that looks like a mango. You like turn it this way, like the colors of a mango, right? You can add more than 2 colors if you'd like to here. I think, yeah, you can add a new gradient color and you can color it to something else. Maybe like this purple, pinkish kind of vibe, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.